Question 9. Jackie wants to work out 3,480 divided by 5. So she knows that 3,480 divided by 10 is 348. Jackie writes 348 divided by 5 is 174 because 10 divided by 5 is 2. And 348 divided by 2 is 174. Okay, so she wants to work that out, but what she's done is divided it by 10 first and then divided it by 5. Sorry, it's divided it by 10 first and then divided it by 2. So essentially what she's done is actually divided it by 20, so divided it by 10 and then divided it by 2. What she should have done is divided it by 10 and then timesed it by 2. So the mistake that Jackie made is just here. She should have done 3,480 divided by 10, and then she should have multiplied that by 2. So Jackie should have done 3,480 divided by 10, then multiplied her answer by 2. Question 10. Jackie and Sarah each played a computer game 6 times. Their scores are shown below. Who had the most consistent? Jackie or Sarah? Now, consistent means they're all close together, but another way of looking at consistency is the range. So the range is the highest, take away the lowest. So the highest for Jake was 12, and his lowest was 8. So the range of Jack's scores is 12 take away 8, which is 4. Sarah, her highest was 14. Her lowest was 2. 14 take away 2 is 12. So what we can see from that is that Jake's scores between the highest and the lowest is only 4, whereas Sarah's had a really big gap. So Sarah's less consistent. So who had the most consistent? Jake was more consistent. Because his scores are closer together, or because his range is only 4, whereas Sarah's was 12. Jake played a different game 20 times. The stem and leaf diagram shows information about his scores. Jake said his modal score was 6 points because 6 occurs most often in the diagram. Well, there is a lot of 6s, but it's here, isn't it? This is where we can see that the mode occurs. But actually, this number here isn't 6. If we look at the key, that number should actually be 26. The stem and the leaf, 26. So is Jake correct? No. He is not correct. The mode is 26.